Russ here. Good morning. Welcome to RVerTV. It is Sunday, May 5th, not quite 7 a.m. Had to get a little bit of fuel. Thought I'd do my last drive-through town. We've done a lot of them this season. I'm getting out of here this week, finally. Yay. Beautiful morning. We are heading west on Main Street. Go west. Look how that sign's nice and bright with morning sun. That looks good, that Quartzsite sign. But streets are empty. Kinda got the place to myself. Check it out, this old beat up restaurant there on the right there is for sale. I guess they're hanging their hat. That place served a lot of food. Then on the right, Reader's Oasis. Old Paul, he's still in the hospital. He's still hanging in there. I wish him well. He's a Quartzsite figure for sure. Okay, we're passing Plymouth. That's where the cactus is up there, and yes, I flew the drone around it this morning. I've been watching that thing. You'll see that footage at the end of this. I'll stick it in there. Wasn't a big difference, but it looks good. Okay, oh yeah, that Coyote Fresh Market, they're going to be open all summer. Yay. Of course, the gas stations are always stay open. And their prices, what are we here? $3.15. Roadrunner, they stay open. Everything else is pretty much shut down now. This little restaurant here on the right, he'll tough it out for the summer. Look at the mountains off in the distance. Don't those look good? Okay, we are approaching Central Avenue and Main. Big old Walmart truck there, full of goodies, cheap stuff. Let's see what this station is. Now the same oil distributor owns them all. Let's see what he is. $3.25, 10 cents. Ah, unbelievable. Okay, post office is on the right. There is one vendor still going there at High Ollie. Good for him. Okay, we're getting up here close. We're going to cross over Tyson Wash. And it's been empty. We've seen no measurable rain in quite a while. Been dry, very dry. And there's Holiday Palms on the left. And Hassler's on the right. Them guys, they stay open year round. And there's good old 88 Shades on the left. I pretty much have this street to myself. There's the old B10, they're closed for the season. It's supposed to be like mid-90s today, and then temperatures are dropping back to the 80s. There's another storm front, which basically means wind. We won't get no rain from it. Okay, up here on the left is the second dollar store of Quartzsite. Quartzsite has $2 stores for a little town. And on the right where the yellow tower is, tank, that Bird's Coffee, they're staying open year round, and that Diesel guy, repair guy, I think he's staying open year round. And Yacht Club, they're shut down. And up here, this is the downtown district of Quartzsite. On the left's Pilot, truck stops. Yep, there's the panhandler lady. She's out there every morning getting money. She has her bags packed like she is going somewhere, but she lives here. There's another guy up here in the corner. He sits there every day. Then when they take a break, they get their cell phone out. Hopefully they're watching RVerTV. Unbelievable. Only in Quartzsite. Okay, at the end of Maine. That's it. Last trip down Maine. Cut across the freeway, the famous exit 17. Look how the color of the mountains really pop out this time of morning. That morning sun hitting it. Just pretty. Okay, we're crossing over I-10. I'm gonna grab a cup of coffee. I wanna go up here to Love's real quick. Then we'll continue on. Now to the right is Dome Rock Road, to the left is Kewen. And this is gonna be Love's truck stop, two truck stop town. Was there 6 fueling stations here? All the gas stations. It's big revenue for Quartzsite. Kind of supports the town. And they got that truck center there where they do a lot of tire repair. Okay, let me run in real quick, grab my caffeine, and I shall return. Okay, good to go now. Boy, look at that sun. You can feel the heat coming up too. But even with the mid-90s, it's still cooling off at night in the 60s. So in the evening, you can open up the windows and doors, and it's really a nice breeze. Very bearable. So about 2-3 hours I run the AC in the motorhome. Not bad. But today I got a ton of computer work I got to finish. And then tomorrow I'm going to start loading up the van. I'll film all that. We'll get videos out about all that, starting the trip. And I'm inkling, hoping by Wednesday to be on the road. Thursday latest, somewhere in there. Definitely this week. Gone. Looking forward to it. Change of scenery. Been a successful, good season here. Can't knock it. Anytime in the desert's a good time. To think the hundreds of thousands of people that traveled through here in the last few months is unbelievable. Now it's all kind of emptied out. You can see there on the right, there's Desert Gardens. Still a few trailers sitting there. No one's selling. They're kind of waiting, probably on the weather, just to travel. Some people had nowhere else to go. They'll stick around quite a while, and then they head wherever they're going to go, like Flagstaff, Utah, Idaho, wherever. Because up north, it's still a little chilly. It's springtime, but it's cool. This is East on Kewen. So the schedule, I'll finish hopefully most of my computer work today. I will start loading the van tomorrow. Then I have to prep the motorhome to get it in storage on Tuesday, Wednesday. So that's kind of the plan. I'll film as much of it as I can. I'm going to be a little busy too though. But definitely get videos out about it. And then also leaving Quartzsite. Definitely be filming that. So stay tuned. Okay, here we are, Tyson Wells. I can't thank Kim Scott, the owner of Tyson Wells, enough for his hospitality this year. She really opened up the doors for me and RVerTV. Thank you, Kim. Be sure this fall to check out his game store, Tyson Wells Game Store. See everything down, it's cleaned up. Alright, this is Russ. I'm going to sign off now. Stay tuned. I will throw that cactus video I just shot here a little bit ago. Everyone take care. Talk soon.